Hey there folks, Peter here with BlackRock Business, and today in the world of QuickBooks Point of Sale, I'm coming at you to talk about merging vendors. Now for some reason, on your vendor list, at some point in time, the vendor that you're working with got entered twice. Maybe you were making purchase orders or receiving vouchers, and for some reason somebody thought the vendor wasn't there, and so they created another vendor with maybe a slightly different spelling, and now you have the same vendor in two places on your vendor screen, on your vendor list here. And so what you want to do is, so that all of the documents that you've worked with under these two separate vendor records, which are actually the same vendor, you want them all to be combined and be under one vendor, because this is in fact one vendor. We're going to do the example with the vendors I have here. I have Sweet Merch, and then I have the Sweet Merch Candy Department, but really these are the same vendor, and I want all the documents and receiving vouchers and everything to be under the original one. And so we're actually going to merge them. And what you need to do before we go forward is go down in the description down below and click on the link to get over to our QuickBooks Point of Sale Facebook group. So when you have any questions about QuickBooks Point of Sale, you can ask the group or me, and we will answer your questions and errors and work through anything you got going on there. Go ahead and click that link. Otherwise, if you're on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe so you can get all the latest, greatest new QuickBooks Point of Sale videos from BlackRock Business. Let's go ahead and do it now. So I'm going to click on the first vendor, which here in this case is Sweet Merch. Then I'm going to go on the I Want To menu, head on down to Merge. And you're going to want to pay some special attention to this screen right here, because the one that shows up on the left is the one that we're going to keep, and the one over on the right is going to be the duplicate. If you've accidentally chosen the one that you want to get rid of and it's on the left, then we can easily fix that. Here on the right, I'm going to choose Candy Department. If they're on the wrong side and you've chosen the wrong one, just hit swap. And now in this case, we would keep Candy Department, and we would get rid of this one, and all the documents under this one would end up under the Candy Department one, but that's not what I want. So we can also see here that since I've been working with this one longer, the one on the left, we can see that it already is in QuickBooks Accounting, whereas this one I haven't done any documents with per se, and we don't have a vendor in QuickBooks yet, but they might both have vendors in QuickBooks, in which case, after you do this process, you are probably also going to want to merge the QuickBooks vendor name, which is, it's similar the way that you do that, but that's a subject for another day. Anyway, we got them all lined up and we're ready to go. I'm going to hit Merge Vendors, and there you have it. The Candy Department one has disappeared, and if it had any documents under it, they would now be in the document history for the main one, because we've merged everything together. I hope that helped you out. My name's Peter with BlackRock Business. Feel free to leave comments below and I will respond, and you can see us over there on Facebook. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.
Yeah, baby! Unboxing!